What are the important chemical properties of S block elements? If you observe that S block elements means first A group elements and second A group elements reactivity first we discuss. Generally, alkaline metals and alkaline earth metals are highly reactive. Okay, they are more reactive and reactivity increases down the group. Here also reactivity increases down the group, either in first A group elements or second A group elements. The reactivity increases down the group. Why the reactivity is increasing means because ionization energy decreases and metallic nature increases in both cases. So and generally in a group top to bottom ionization energy is decreases because the size is increasing and metallic nature is increases. So due to the increasing its metallic nature in a group top to bottom the reactivity is increases. For first A group elements lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium. Cesium is more reactive and in second A group elements barium is more reactive. Now if you are compare that both first A and second A group elements, first A group elements are more reactive than second A group elements. Reactivity, which elements are more reactive? First A group elements are either more reactive or second A group elements are more reactive. Like we will get some doubt. So always first A group elements are highly reactive when compared to second A group elements. So remember about that. Okay, that is about reactivity order or reactivity. First property is reactivity. Generally, either in first A group elements reactivity increases down the group, and second A group elements also reactivity increases down the group. Okay, students. And first A group elements and second A group elements, if you compare that, first A group elements are highly reactive when compared to second A group elements. That is about the reactivity. Next, second chemical property, reaction with water. Either in first A group elements, reaction with water forms hydroxides. That hydroxide general formula is MOH. For example, where M is equals to lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium or cesium, that metal, first A group element, the reaction with water forms metal hydroxides. Either lithium is present, lithium hydroxide, sodium is present, sodium hydroxide. So its general formula is MOH, M plus OH minus. That's why the N factor of these bases is 1 because how many OH minus ions can able to produce? One OH minus ion can able to produce. And these hydroxides are basic nature. The basic nature of these hydroxides increases down the group. So the basic nature are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Cesium hydroxide is a strong base when compared to rubidium hydroxide and then potassium hydroxide and then sodium and then lithium hydroxide. Okay, students. So first A group elements reaction with water forms hydroxides. Along with that liberates hydrogen gas. Okay, up to that it is very clear. These hydroxides are in basic nature. These hydroxides are having in basic nature in aqueous medium. Their basic strength increases down the group. Basic strength increases down the group. Okay, students, it's very, very important. This basic nature order is very, very important. And when compared to first A group elements and second A group elements, first A group elements are strong basic nature when compared to second A group elements. Next, second A group elements when reaction with water, they also forms hydroxide. That hydroxide general formula is MOH twice. MOH twice, where M is equals to beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, and barium. Where M is indicates the second A group elements. Why it is MOH twice means because they are ionized to give M plus 2 plus 2 OH minus ions. So they are releasing 2 OH minus ions in aqueous medium. Hence, their N factor is equal to 2. Basicity, acidity of these bases is equal to 2. N factor is equal to 2. So these hydroxides basic strength increases down the group. This beryllium hydroxide is a weak basic nature and it is a weak basic nature and amphotic nature. Amphotic nature. Okay, students. So basic strength increases down the group. The weak base is beryllium hydroxide. This is about reaction with water. Second chemical property. Okay, let's see. Next, the third important chemical property of either in first A group elements or second A group elements is reaction with hydrogen. Let's see. Carefully you have to observe. Already this we are discussed in hydrogen and its compounds only, reaction with hydrogens. So first A group elements reaction with hydrogen forms MH type of hydrides. MH type of hydride. This MH is ionic hydrides. In these hydrides, hydrogen oxidation state is -1. These hydrides thermal stability decreases down the group. Thermal stability is decreasing down the group, and it acts as a good reducing agent, and reducing nature increases down the group. Reducing nature increases down the group. Okay, students, if you observe that lithium hydride is more stable when compared to cesium hydride. Okay, so thermal stability is decreasing down the group, and reducing nature increases down the group. The same way, secondary group elements combined with hydrogen atom form MH2 type of ionic hydrides. MH2 type of ionic hydrides they forms. Okay, in which these ionic hydride thermal stability is decreasing down the group. Beryllium hydride is more stable than MgH2, and then calcium hydride and strontium hydride and barium hydride. And reducing nature, this is the reducing nature order. Bottom one is reducing nature order. And these hydrides are basic nature. Whenever these first A group element hydrides and second A group element hydrides reaction with water forms hydroxides. Those hydroxides basic nature increases down the group. That's why these hydrides acts as a basis. So these hydrides basic strength increases down the group. It is another important point. Okay, students. And one more important point is beryllium hydride. BeH2, beryllium hydride existing polymeric state. Exist in a polymeric state. Polymer means beryllium, hydrogen molecules, more molecules they combine existing BeH2 and times. Exist in polymeric state. Okay, students, it is importance about the hydrides. Means first A group elements combined with hydrogen atom forms MH type of ionic hydrides. Second A group elements combined with hydrogen atom or hydrogen forms MH2 type of hydrides will form. These hydrides, first A group element hydrides or second A group element hydrides, thermal stability decreases down the group, and reducing these hydrides acts as a good reducing agent, and reducing nature or reducing strength increases down the group. Increases down the group. These points are very, very important. Okay, students. Let's see next important chemical property of either in first A group elements or second A group elements is next fourth one reaction with oxygen. Oxygen. So here also reaction with oxygen. When the reaction with oxygen forms oxides. Generally, whenever metals are reaction with oxygen, they form three types of compounds. One is simple oxide, the second one is peroxides, and third one is superoxide they will form. So generally all metals or non-metals form simple oxides, and peroxides and superoxide they forms under special conditions only. So for example, generally either first A group elements combined with oxygen forms all forms combined with oxygen all forms simple oxides. These simple oxides general formula is oxygen is divalent and first A group elements is monovalent. Then their general formula is M2O type of simple oxides. These oxides are basic nature. These are having basic nature. Okay, having basic nature and basic strength or basic nature increases down the group. increases down the group. Let's see the basic simple oxides basic nature order. For example, lithium oxide Li2O, sodium oxide Na2O, potassium K2O, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium oxide. This is about basic strength order. Okay students, now the secondary group elements combined with oxygen forms simple oxides, forms MO type simple oxides. MO type simple oxides. Okay students, these oxides basic nature increases. Basic nature increases down the group. Basic nature increases down the group. If you observe that beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium oxide. Among this beryllium oxide is a weak basic nature having more covalent character and amphotic nature. Amphotic nature. When compared with first A group element oxides and second A group element oxides, first A group element oxides having more basic nature when compared to second A group element oxides. Okay students, is very important. Next, along with these simple oxides, these first A group elements also forms peroxides as well as superoxides. For example, lithium only forms Li2O, but sodium also forms Na2O2, sodium peroxide. Sodium also forms sodium peroxide. And potassium, rubidium and cesium forms peroxides. Peroxides general formula is MO2, means K2O2, RbO2, CSO2 forms peroxides as well as superoxides. Superoxide general formula is MO2, like KO2, RbO2 and CSO2. The formation of superoxides in a group top to bottom increases. That's why potassium, rubidium, cesium can also form superoxides. Potassium, rubidium, cesium forms three types of oxides: simple oxides, peroxides as well as superoxides also. But lithium only forms simple oxide Li2O. Sodium forms simple oxide as well as peroxide only. But potassium, rubidium, cesium forms simple oxides, peroxides as well as superoxides. Once you observe these superoxides, in superoxides, oxygen atom oxidation state is -1 by 2. Each oxygen atom oxidation state is -1 by 2. In peroxides, oxygen atom oxidation state is -1. And in superoxides, oxidation state is -1 by 2. And one more important thing already we have discussed while discussing the oxidation state, that time only we have discussed superoxides having one odd number of electron is present. So due to the presence of odd number of electrons, superoxides acts as paramagnetic nature having color. Paramagnetic nature having a color. Okay students, this is about types of oxides. So first A group element generally forms simple oxides. Its general formula is M2O. So lithium only forms simple oxides. The remaining elements sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Sodium can also form simple oxide and superoxides. Potassium, rubidium, cesium can also form peroxides as well as superoxides. So superoxides, due to the presence of odd number of electrons, superoxides acts as paramagnetic nature, having paramagnetic nature and color nature. Okay students, let's see second A group elements. Second A group elements in beryllium and magnesium. Magnesium forms only simple oxides. simple oxides. Only forms simple oxides. Means BeO and MgO like. And another important thing is this calcium, strontium, and barium can also forms peroxides. So these cannot form superoxides. Only peroxide they form. What is the formula of calcium peroxide? CaO2. CaO2, calcium peroxide. Ca plus 2 and O2 minus 2. Strontium peroxide and barium peroxide. Already we know that barium peroxide molecular formula. Hydrated barium peroxide is treated with dilute H2SO4, forms hydrogen peroxide. H2O2 preparation method, in that case we are used barium peroxide, BaO2. Okay students, so this is about peroxides of secondary group elements. So in secondary group elements forms two types of oxides. One is simple oxide, the second one is peroxide. Peroxides are only formed by calcium, strontium and barium only. So this is about reaction with oxygen. Reaction with oxygen. Okay students, let's see the next important chemical property is reaction with halogens. Reaction with halogens. So reaction with halogens. With halogens. So once you observe this reaction, reactivity order of halogens. Halogens reactivity orders for both cases. F2 is more reactive than Cl2 and then Br2 and then I2. And first year group elements forms Mx type of halides and second year group elements forms Mx2 type of halides. These are ionic halides. This is also ionic halide. This ionic nature increases down the group. Ionic nature and thermal stability. Ionic nature, thermal stability, increases down the group. Thermal stability increases down the group and melting points and boiling points also. Boiling points increases down the group. Okay, let's see, for example, halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, means negative ion. Negative ion size increases, ionic nature decreases. Generally, chlorides are more ionic nature than bromides. Sorry, fluorides are more ionic nature than chlorides, and then bromides, and then iodides. For example, you have to take in first year group elements sodium chloride, sodium chloride, and sodium bromide, and sodium iodide. Among these iodides, cation is fixed and anion size increases, ionic nature decreases. Ionic nature decreases. We know very well. So this ionic strength order, ionic nature order, as well as melting points or boiling points order. Always fluorides are more melting and boiling points when compared to chlorides and then bromides and then iodides. Like order will comes. Same in this state, instead of sodium place you have to take Yes, ma, why? Because here cation is fixed according to Fajans rules. You have to apply the Fajans rules. Then ionic nature will comes. Okay, NaF has more ionic nature than NaCl and then NaBr and then NaI. And if you take magnesium, MgF2 and then MgCl2 and then MgBr2 and then MgI2 comes. Okay, now see here anion is fixed and cations are different. Cation size increases, ionic nature increases. For example, lithium chloride, sodium chloride, lithium sodium, potassium chloride, rubidium chloride and cesium chloride. In this case, the melting points or boiling points or ionic nature gradually increases down the group. Because the ion is fixed, cation size increases, the ionic nature increases. The same way, say, take one secondary group elements example, have to take beryllium chloride, magnesium chloride, and calcium chloride, strontium chloride and barium chloride. So the cation size increases, ionic nature increases. Anion is fixed, then the ionic nature increases, then the melting and boiling points also increases. Okay, students. So this is about ionic nature order as well as melting and boiling points order of halides of second year group and first year group elements. Second year and first year group elements. Okay, let's see one more important chemical property of first year and second year group elements. Next important chemical property is reaction with liquid ammonia. Yes, man, Nischal and Abhay, listen carefully. Next important chemical property is solubility liquid ammonia. So both how the first year and second year group elements are soluble in liquid ammonia and how what type of compound they will form. See that first year group elements M, the reacts with X plus Y moles of liquid ammonia to forms X also combined with metal forms a blue color complex and releases one electron. That electron will be accepted by ammonia. Then this is called ammoniated electrons. This is blue color complex. The same way second year group elements. Here M is equals to first year group. Here M is equals to second year group. They reacts with X plus 2Y moles of ammonia to forms blue color complex. And reacts and produce ammoniated electrons. And the 2 moles of ammoniated electrons they are producing. Okay, so here very important thing, dear students, either first year group elements or second year group elements are soluble in ammonia to form a blue color complex. This blue color complex is due to the presence of ammoniated electrons, means due to the presence of free ammoniated electrons. Means free electrons are present, means already I said the color of the complexes is due to the presence of unpaired electrons or free electrons, odd number of electrons. So due to the formation of these Ammoniated electrons are free electrons. The resultant complex has in blue color. The resultant complex has in a blue color. Okay, students? Yes. Next, reaction. Next, first year group elements, carbonates and bicarbonates and sulfates. We need to discuss about carbonates, sulfates and bicarbonates. We need to discuss. Carbonates. And bicarbonates. These carbonates and bicarbonates, first year group elements, carbonates, general formula is M2CO3, and bicarbonates general formula is MHCO3 twice. Sorry, MHCO3. First year group elements bicarbonates is MHCO3. These carbonates and bicarbonates, solubility and thermal stability. Increases down the group. Thermal stability increases down the group. You have to remember, dear student, that M place you have to take lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. So they form the carbonates and the bicarbonates. These carbonates and bicarbonates are in basic nature. When treated with acids, dilute acids and liberates carbon dioxide gas. Liberates carbon dioxide gas. Their solubility in water and thermal stability increases down the group. Let's see the second year group elements. Carbonates. General formula is MCO3. And bicarbonates. Bicarbonates. General formula is MHCO3 twice. MHCO3 twice. These carbonates and bicarbonates, thermal stability, you have to remember carefully, thermal stability increases down the group. Okay, thermal stability is increasing, here also increasing, but solubility decreases down the group. Solubility decreases down the group. Okay, carbonates and bicarbonates. Next important one is sulfates. Let's see that sulfates of first year group element sulfates. SO4 2 minus means M2SO4. Here the sulfates general formula is MSO4. Here where M indicates the lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Here M indicates beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium. Okay students, so these are the first year group element sulfates and second year group element sulfates. These sulfates, thermal stability, first year group elements sulfates, thermal stability and solubility increases down the group. Okay, both are increases, but second year group element sulfates, thermal stability is increasing, but solubility decreases down the group. This is about sulfates of second year.